right up against the baseboards, the bathtub, the toilet bowl. And this is industrial grade microfiber pads. So it's got 3 times the amount of fibers that a normal microfiber pad that you'll buy in a store gets. So you don't have to push down. It does a lot of scrubbing for you. And just move it back and forth and you pick it right up. Notice the squareness to it allows it to get into the corners. And if you got a pet at home, it's fantastic. You won't see a pet hair on the floor or a pubic hair in the bathroom. It also swivels, so you can use it on your walls. Painted walls, your shower tile, you can use it on your tub. And with that nice low profile head, it gets under your appliances further than any other mop on the market. Your fridges, your stoves, dishwashers, what have you. If you've got a hardwood surface or a laminate surface, that's crayon on there, a wax buildup. Could represent anything at home. And I do this for 2 reasons. One, to show you don't have to push down real hard. Just move the mop head back and forth, back and forth. And if you have dark surfaces at home, you might think they're clean right now because they're damp. But if you take your mop head and put on something white, you can see all the dirt, germs, and bacteria you're spreading around. That's what's so fantastic about this mop. You never put the mop head back in the dirty water. Watch this. It's simply fantastic. In the center, you take this top lid off, that's where the clean water goes. If you use anything at home to clean your floors, detergents, vinegar, remember microfiber works well just with water. You don't have to use detergents, but if you do, we're not here to tell you how to mop. Put it in the center, put your lid back on. Did you notice the little bristles? That's to clean the bottom of the mop pad. Put that back inside. And if you notice around the outside of that center container, that's where all the dirty water goes. It never mixes in with the clean water and vice versa. So you're not moving bacteria and germs and dirt all over your floor surfaces. You undo this little latch right here, put your mop in the center, and if you notice those 2 black dots, take a step in. You gotta be close to see this part. Yeah, being next to me is like being next to heaven. I work high all day. Notice the 2 black dots? Just push the handle up and down. You don't have to go too fast. And what you're doing right now is you're pulling the clean water up and cleaning the bottom of the pad. The brushes are also doing the work. And all the dirty water is going to the outside of the pail there. Now, if you do this at home, this might be too damp. If you got hardwood floors or laminate floors, you don't want a soaking wet mop pad. So here's how you dry it. Put it back inside the bucket and push it a little faster. And you'll know when you're going fast enough because those 2 black dots turn red and the mop head spins way easier and way faster. And again, all the dirty water going to the outside of the bucket. How am I doing so far? Not bad, pretty good. Getting excited? Now it's just damp. When the pad's dirty, it can go in the washing machine. Never use fabric softener with anything microfiber. It bungs up all the little fibers. Detergent's fine, just don't use the fabric softeners. With normal mopping, one of these pads will last you a 1.5 to 2 years. And there's a reason I told you that part. One last surface I want to show you. Even if you have grooves, you know, because you got tile, even if you got the grout that doesn't come all the way up, that gets right down inside and picks everything up. It's simply fantastic, fantastically simple.